Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tanya to Guide. In this video, I'm gonna explain you what is swapping. Okay, so basically swapping means exchanging their places. So in general, for suppose you wanna exchange your place with your friend and your friend wanna exchange their place with you. Okay, so this is a real-time example, but how do we do it in programming? Let us see. Now I'm gonna do this in Python. In Python there are different kind of rules. For the rules and everything, please go and check the Python tutorials. Now see, hash is basically used for command lines. The concept of the program is swapping. So for my user understanding or user readability, I'm writing it as swapping. Now let us declare a variable. A is a variable and which is going to get a value. Now equals to is basically used for assigning a value. Now input in Python is considered as string. Whenever you declare input, it means that is a string. Okay, now enter the value of A. Okay, use the colons and after that use the colon. Now see here, A is considered as a string. Okay, now we are going to convert this string into an integer data type. So that is the reason we need to write it as int of. Whenever you mention it as int of, that means it is an integer data type. It's actually a string, but we are converting into an integer. Okay, now let us declare it for B. B is equals to input, enter the value of B. Okay, now see, this is actually a string. Now we are converting this string to an integer data type. Now let us print this. Print, you can even print like A comma B so that you can understand what is the value of A by user defined. Okay, but what am I doing is I'm writing a clear statements over here. Print, you can use either single quote or double quote. Before swapping, A value is colon, keep a comma. This comma is basically used for separation. Now just copy this line, Control C, and paste it over here. Now write here, before swapping B value is. Okay, now let us change the variable also here. Just save it, run this program. Okay, A value is. Okay, so here the value of A is 10, I am giving. The value of B is 20. Now before swapping A is 10, after swapping we will come to know while the executing. Okay, now here before swapping B value is 20. Now here actually the concept is, now see, A should get 20 and B should get 10, right? Now see, without using any third variable, now I am not using any third variable, A comma B is equals to B comma A. Okay, so what does this mean? Actually the value of A is going to become the value of B and the value of B is going to get the value of A. Okay, now just click on enter and use this print. Whenever we declare print like this, it means it's going to a new line. Now let us write print after swapping. After swapping, A value is colon, comma, and write A here. Okay, now just copy this line and paste it here. Just change this, after swapping what is the value? B value, right? So now just change the variable. Now let us save this program. Run. Now see here, enter the value of A. I am entering the value of A, that is nothing but 10. Now the value of B is 20. Now see here, before swapping A value is 10 and before swapping B value is 20. After swapping the value of A is 20, right? I hope everyone can clearly understand this. Okay, this is actually the concept of swapping. That means A is getting the value of B and B is getting a value of A. And here I'm not even using any third variable. Okay, I hope everyone are clear with this concept. Thank you. Done, Abuji.